Harper, why don't you go on the pirate ship? Harper, why don't you get on the pirate ship? Come here. Come here. Get up. There, you got off. Now you can get on the ladybug. See? He's off. Why don't you go get on? Okay. Thank you, Hollister. Thank you, Monkey. Oh, and so she gets on the pirate ship anyway. You're such a goofball. You can get on the ladybug, Hollister? Go get on the ladybug. Go get on the ladybug. Oh, who do you have? Do you have Kenga? Can you give her kisses? Give her kisses. Yeah. Kisses for Kenga. Harper, you're just in a bad mood today. Everything's making you cry. Hi, Mr. Monkey. You need a haircut. Don't you? There's nothing I can do about it right now. I'm sorry. Okay, Hollister, you're gonna make anybody who's watching this seasick. Make them seasick.